Music. Welcome to our Drake Tax software review. Find usage experience links below. Drake Tax is professional-grade software designed for accountants and tax pros managing individual and business clients. Known for speed, efficiency, and robust features, it's a powerful tool for preparing federal, state, and local returns, streamlining your tax workflow. Drake Tax excels for high-volume firms valuing accuracy and automation. Its comprehensive forms library covers everything from 1040s to corporate, partnership, estate, and non-profit returns. Designed for efficiency, its data flow feature automatically populates information across forms, minimizing redundancy and errors. The accuracy review tool flags potential mistakes, ensuring error-free filing. Unlimited e-filing for federal and state returns allows quick, secure submission, with refund tracking and real-time status updates. Drake Tax integrates seamlessly with Drake Documents and Drake Accounting, providing a full suite for tax preparation, document storage, and bookkeeping. This boosts productivity for firms consolidating workflows. Robust reporting tools generate detailed summaries and analyses. Designed for tax professionals, Drake Tax offers extensive support via phone, email, and training. Competitive pricing includes paper return and unlimited filing options, ideal for both solo practitioners and large firms. In short, Drake Tax is top-tier software for professionals demanding speed, reliability, and accuracy. Explore Drake Tax further through the links below.